LED strip, Menina. We're going to hook up in our TV.
LED strip lights with remote, 9.8 feet for 42 to 70 inches TV. Waterproof USB TV backlight.
Yeah, they give you your own nice color. So let me show you right now. Let's see what we get in the package. And then we install it right in my TV. I'll show you a picture in the end. So, the LED strip, waterproof. And very important, right? You know why this is that way? Because now you can go right in the corners this way. All right, so fill this up, put it right in your TV. And it's good up to 65 inch. Now, for instructions, how to install it. Anyway, I'll show you this right now. Now, what you need to do, all the new TV today, the all new one, even the older ones now, about 10 years old, they all have a USB connection in the back. So what you got to do is just connect one of the 3-port USB. That's what I'm going to be doing in my TV. I'm just plug it in there and put some power. You see that red arrow there? You match it with the plus 5 volts right in the side. And it's already on. Now we get the remote control. And we have this 3M sticker where what you can do is put it right in the back of the TV and you can hold, let's say, USB cable. Now, with the remote control, the nice thing is RF, so it means no longer you need to point straight to this and not in infrared. So you can point anywhere. So now, we got a few colors. White color is the default. So there's a white color right there. You can change if you want red color, green. In my case, I will use white color. But you can change colors this way. If you like effect, you can run different modes. That will be the case, right? When you switch to white, it stays automatic. And the white color, you can run the demo and it will run all the effects. We put back again. I mean, if you like to change the brightness, you can do that. If you see. My case, what I'm going to be using in mine, I'm going to plug right in the back of my TV. When I turn that TV on, this automatic will come on. By default, automatic memorize the list setup. So I don't need to worry about the remote control. I don't need to worry about anything. Just nice white color. Reflecting in the back of my wall is white. But if you want to change color and give it different ambient light, you can do it right from the remote control. Pretty simple and only takes a few minutes to install.